Cannot change password on Angel Investment Network fix. If you've been trying to change your password on the Angel Investment Network but keep getting stuck, you're not alone. Many users face this issue and assume the system is down, but the surprising truth is, it's usually caused by a few easy-to-fix mistakes. Let's go through how to solve it step by step. Start by going to the Angel Investment Network login page and selecting Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address and submit the form. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a password reset email. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, it often ends up there. When you find the email, open it immediately. The reset link is time sensitive, typically valid for about 10 minutes. If you wait too long, it expires and stops working. Click the link while it's still fresh, and you'll be taken to the reset page. Next, create a new password that meets all requirements, at least 8 characters long with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special symbols. Avoid reusing old passwords since the system won't accept them. If you click the link and see an error or doesn't load, try opening it in an incognito window or another browser. Clearing your cache and cookies can also help. Sometimes stored login data interferes with password resets. If you're using a phone or tablet, make sure your browser app is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can sometimes block secure reset pages from loading properly. And if you still can't reset your password after trying these steps, don't worry. Contact Angel Investment Network support, and they can send a fresh, working reset link after verifying your account details. So, if you can't change your password on Angel Investment Network, remember it's not a glitch. It's just about timing browser data and security settings. Follow these steps carefully, use the most recent reset link, and you have your password changed and your account secured in just a few minutes.